Welcome back to our channel, where we share valuable tips and tricks to enhance your Snapchat experience. In today's video, we'll provide you with a complete guide on how to save a snap to your camera roll. By following these simple steps, you can easily have your favorite moments readily available outside of the Snapchat app. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Snapchat on your device. Look for the familiar Snapchat app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Step 2. Once Snapchat is open, tap on the account icon, located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Step 3. On your profile page, find the gear icon representing the settings. Tap on it to access the Snapchat settings. Step 4. In the settings menu, locate and tap on Memories. This option allows you to manage your saved snaps. Step 5. Within the Memories menu, tap on the Save button. Enabling this feature ensures your snaps are saved before proceeding to the next step. Step 6. Now, when you take a snap, you'll have the option to save it to your camera roll. Simply select Camera Roll when prompted. By following these straightforward steps, you can conveniently save your snaps to your camera roll, making them easily accessible and shareable outside of the Snapchat app. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tips and tricks.